Guys, Letter L fan here, and I'm back yet again today with my Type Z Transformer restoration project. Now, when we last left off, I was planning on cutting wires, and the reason is because the wires, like on the KW, the wires inhibit the removal of the top of the case. So, however, unlike my KW, which I have slowly been trying to get open, this one has some perks and some negatives. On the good side, you can easily access all the wires you need to desolder. However, with my specific example, there was a lot of rusty crud that would interfere with desoldering, so I simply severed the wires. I mean, they wouldn't be usable anyway. I already did test remove the case, but I wanted to show you guys how it comes out. It's a little bit of a shaky process. Anyhow, let's see. Sorry that it's a bad camera angle. Alright. So you can see right here, with the upper bits, we have the two top rollers over there, and the rolling wheels themselves are some of the least deteriorated parts of this. Look at that. That's pretty bad. And then over here is the actual transformer part. And you can see this is the part the rollers sweep across, and then that's the coil that transfers the power to this coil. I'd explain more about that, but I don't feel like explaining how transformers work. So, Google it. Anyhow, there's your two coils. This one is the one to the toy train track, and that's the one from the outlet. And over here, what you see right here, these are for the big throttles, and those ones up there are for the little ones. Anyhow, oh, there's some bits of equipment I need to work on. I'm not entirely sure what this bit does, but that is not to worry because I'm sure I'll figure it all out in good time. Interesting, that does seem to fix there. Let's see. Okay, I've got to wrap up this video. As you can see, there's the gearing to the center throttle, and I'm going to do some more taking apart. As you can see, this insulation is totally shot. All the wires pretty much are shot, except for the coil wires and stuff. You know, it's in rough shape. But it looks to me like it can be saved, so I'm going to have to re-insulate everything, but I'll see you guys soon. This might be my final video for this day. I'll do a lot of work off this, but see you around.